Hey there, friends. Today on Calaville, I'm going to show you how to add Twitch chat to your PC Studio. We'll need to open any browser for this. Type in Stream Elements. Let's go in. Click Start. Log in through the platform. Next, after logging in, click Overlay, Create New Overlay, Start, Add Widget, and Stream Chat. So here's our chat. Usually for streams, it's made transparent like this. So make your adjustments here, including text and positioning settings, then click Save. Here we'll type in chat. Click Save. Now let's grab the link. Here I am in my scene. To add this chat, I'll click the plus icon. I'll select browser here. Okay, then paste the link here and click OK. And your chat will appear here. And importantly, make sure to log into your account through Twitch. That'll link up the chat. To do this, go to Settings, then Twitch Stream, and finally Account. That's everything. Goodbye, everyone.